All right, we have a jam question on jam on fiction, which says a box of mass 40 kg is being dragged along the floor by a rope inclined at angle 60 horizontal. The frictional force between the box and the floor is 100 Newton, and the tension on the rope is 300 Newton. How much work is done in dragging the box through the distance of 4 meters? Now, let's have a simple sketch to represent what we have just read. We have, let's say we have a body of mass 40 kg, 40 kg, that is the weight goes down. 40 kg mass will give us 400 Newton weight of force. So, dragged by a rope. Let's assume it's a rope at angle 60 horizontal, and frictional force between the box and the floor is 100 Newton. So because we have a component of the tension force here, this way, frictional force must, of course, frictional force will always act so as to oppose the motion. So these are frictional force. Frictional force. So what we do now is, of course, the normal reaction force is R, which is equal to the weight, this W. So reaction force is equals to 400 Newton. So we have that frictional force here is 100 Newton. And of course, the tension force is 300 Newton, 300 Newton. So the component of the tension force that must cause the body to move in this direction is given by finding the component of this force is acting horizontally. You can do it by completing this as a right angle triangle. So let's find what this force is. Let's call this simply F, which is the force causing this body to move this way. We know that cause from this triangle now, we know that cos 60 is equals to adjacent F by hypotenuse 300. So that F is equals to 300 cos 60. Now cos 60 is equals to 1 over 2. So 300 times 1 over 2. So F is equals to 150. So that in that case now, the force that must cause the body to move this way must be the net horizontal force. So this a force of 150 is acting this way, and a frictional force of frictional force of 100 Newton is acting this way. So our net horizontal force will be given by minus frictional force. That is, our F is 150, frictional force is 100. So our net FH, net horizontal force, is given by 50 Newton. And of course, Work done in dragging the box, work is equals to force times distance. So the work now is net force H times distance. That will give by F equals our net force is 50 and distance is 4 meters. That will give us 200 joules. That is option C. However, in case like this, we don't have to waste our time with all this. So let's just, in times like this, just make use of the horizontal force. Neglect the vertical force, but the vertical force has nothing to do with moving the body this way. No. So pick the horizontal forces and deal with them. Thank you and see you in the next video.